Creating an attractive thumbnail for YouTube is crucial in capturing viewers' attention and enticing them to click on your video. Here are some tips to make your thumbnail more appealing. 1. Choose a captivating image. Select a visually appealing and high-quality image that accurately represents the content of your video. The image should be clear, eye-catching, and relevant to what your video is about. 2. Use bold and readable text. Add text overlays to your thumbnail to provide a brief and compelling description of your video. Use bold and easy-to-read fonts and keep the text concise and to the point. 3. Add contrasting colors. Utilize contrasting colors to make your thumbnail stand out. This will help grab attention and make your video visibly distinct among other videos in search results. 4. Brand consistency. Incorporate your channel's branding elements, such as logo or color scheme, into the thumbnail design. This will help viewers associate the thumbnail with your channel, enhancing recognition and branding. 5. Create intrigue or curiosity. Use visuals or text in your thumbnail to create a sense of curiosity or intrigue. This can entice viewers to click on your video to satisfy their curiosity or learn more about the topic. 6. Avoid clutter and be specific. Keep your thumbnail clean and avoid cluttering it with too many elements. Focus on the main message or theme of your video and convey it clearly in the thumbnail. Too much information can overwhelm viewers and make the thumbnail less effective. 7. Test and analyze. Experiment with different thumbnail designs and analyze their performance. Take note of which thumbnails receive more clicks and engagement, and adjust your design strategy accordingly. Remember, the key to an attractive thumbnail is to capture viewers' attention and entice them to click on your video. By incorporating visually appealing images, bold text, contrasting colors, and maintaining brand consistency, you can create eye-catching thumbnails that stand out on YouTube. Keep in mind that YouTube has specific guidelines regarding thumbnail images. Make sure to comply with their policies regarding content, text, and image restrictions. 8. Consider the thumbnail composition. Pay attention to the composition of your thumbnail. Use the rule of thirds to place important elements, such as your face or the main subject, in visually appealing positions. This can create a more aesthetically pleasing and balanced thumbnail. 9. Show emotions or expressions. If appropriate for your video, use images that show emotions or expressive faces. This can be a powerful way to connect with viewers and pique their curiosity. 10. Optimize for mobile. Keep in mind that a large portion of YouTube viewers watch videos on mobile devices. Ensure that your thumbnail is easily readable and visually appealing even on smaller screens. 11. Be true to your brand and target audience. Make sure your thumbnail reflects the overall tone and style of your brand and is appealing to your target audience. Understanding your audience's preferences and expectations can help you create thumbnails that resonate with them. 12. Use high-resolution images. To ensure a professional and crisp look, use high-resolution images for your thumbnails. Blurry or pixelated thumbnails can turn viewers away. 13. A/B test thumbnails. Consider running A/B tests with different thumbnails to see which one performs better. You can use platforms such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ to test different variations and gather data on click-through rates. This will help you refine and optimize your thumbnail strategy over time. 14. Keep it authentic. Avoid using misleading or clickbait-style thumbnails. It's important to represent the content accurately and honestly to maintain trust with your viewers. 15. Stay on brand. Consistency across your thumbnails can help viewers recognize your videos and channel. Use a consistent layout or design theme that aligns with your overall branding. 16. Pay attention to thumbnail size and aspect ratio. Thumbnail dimensions should be 1280 x 720 pixels with an aspect ratio of 16. 9. Make sure your design fits within these dimensions to avoid any cropping or distortion. Remember, an attractive thumbnail is just one element of the puzzle. Make sure your video content is engaging and delivers on the promise made in the thumbnail to keep viewers coming back for more.